Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert currency in Kraken app. Currency conversion in Kraken means changing one crypto or fiat into another. For example, converting Bitcoin BTC into USDT or USD into Ethereum. This is different from the regular trading because it is designed to be quick and simple without needing to understand charts or the trading pair. And the Kraken app provides an easy converter buy or sell feature allowing you to swap currencies instantly at the current market rate as well. So first launch the app and log into your account. Over here on the bottom right, we can find there's a three dot icon. More, tap there. Over here you can find this discover more, convert currencies. Here, tap on the convert currencies. And over here you can find all of these crypto, perps, forexes as well. You can change any of this currency under here as well. You can select from the list only. Simply tap on one of the currency you prefer and select to this convert on the bottom, and that is it. This is how you can convert currencies in Kraken app. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.